This video is going to take you through a quick tour on my latest Notion template for book lovers. As a reader myself, I believe it has almost everything that you need to keep track when it comes to book reading. But if I'm missing something, then please leave a comment so I may add new features later on. First of all, let's take a look at the navigation. You can use the left side menu to go to a particular section in the page, and whenever you are, there's a floating menu on the right to help you navigate around. I also add some quick buttons where you can easily add new pages. Now let's come to the main part. Reading lists is where you keep an eye on books that you are currently reading or plan to read, finished books, or even books that you have dropped. If you want to see all of your books, please come to my bookshelves where books are classified by genres, by your own ratings, or by series. There are separate sections for all the books that you have marked favorites, on the quotes that you have collected along the way, and on the review that you have wrote. If you believe in the power of rereading a book, then there's a section for you called Reread Plan. Please be noticed that the template can count on the number of times that you have read or reread a book. So for example, you have read The Trial one time, and then you plan to reread it one more time and you have done it. And when you look at the information of the book, you could see the total amount of time that you have read that book is 2. To make it more fun, you can create challenge for yourself and keep track on it here. And one inevitable thing is a report section where you can see total amount of books that you have read or plan to read, or the total reviews that you have wrote, or even which genres are the ones that you have read the most. If you like to read series or care about books that want words, you can manage all of them in the template. As usual, I designed the template to be portable so you don't have to navigate around between many pages. But if you wish to see a certain page separately, you can use the view section here to see all the data of anything that you care about. And as usual, my private group are always open to your question. If you need any support about my template, you can find the link of the template in the description below, which will redirect you to the Notion Marketplace. And there you can also see all of my templates in the creator profile. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope the template covers everything you need in your reading journey. But again, if I'm missing something, please let me know in the comment section. And goodbye and see you again.